Sunny Nandorkar on strike. Amrut at the non-striker's end. Left hand, right hand combination. To bowl the first over, Kunal, who picked up the openers of Kamakshi Cricketers Ponda. First ball of the match. Here we go. Full toss, flicked on the onside. And here comes the first wicket of the first ball. Sunny cannot believe it. I think he has to depart here. The ball just dipping at the last instance. And here comes the big player, Sanam Sargaonkar. Reverse Kamacha. Oh, big shot here. I think the fielder will be a spectator. Sanam Sargaonkar has announced his arrival at the crease. Gets off the mark with the six. Another big shot. I request Anup Khandeparkar to kindly welcome our guest, Punch member Jayanti Naik. No ball being called here. Sanam, two balls, two sixes. He is a very dangerous batter. Another full toss. And another no ball. I think the bowler has just felt the pressure of Sanam. The bowler who bowled so beautifully in the first match, getting rid of Desh Bhatikar and Willie in his first over, has gone for plenty here. Oh, very well bowled, but quick single here. Amrut picks up a single here. Good. 16 runs. First over in progress. Sanam on strike here. Three balls have been bowled. Bending shot. I think chance here for the fielder. And in the end, Sanam has to depart. A big wicket here. He got two big cricketers, Sunny Nandorkar and now Sanam Sargaonkar. The fielder was in business for certain time, but then realized that the ball is going over him. 22 with the ball to go. Oh, very well bowled here. Very well bowled Yorker to finish the over. Last match, man of the match, Sanket Surlikar. I request Anup Khandeparkar to give away the man of the match. Amrut on strike. First over 22 for 2. Jayesh to bowl the second over. What can Amrut do here for Shri Bodgeshwar? Today being a Sunday, the day that is belonging to Shri Bodgeshwar. They like to perform on Sunday. Amrut on strike. One of the finest all-rounder from Goa. Banged in shot. He hasn't timed it. And it will be latched on safely. A big wicket. Amrut departs now. Sakhalkar. What a tournament he had. South Goa Premier League captain winner. Mahesh Sakhalkar, a lot will depend on him. He can bat left-handed as well as right-handed. That adds to his advantage. He is the Yorker specialist, but here he has to deliver with the bat now. 22 for 3. Looking to play the ball on the onside. A dot ball. Wicket and a dot ball by Jayesh. Great start here. Only 22 runs. Another great delivery. He is troubling Mahesh at the moment. Mahesh is not reading the bowler. Two dot balls after the wicket of Amrut. He has missed out on a maiden over in the previous match, already bowling three dot balls and picking up a wicket. Gave away just one run in the previous match. It would have been double wicket maiden for him. Mahesh gets it right this time. Sends the ball out of the park. A maximum being signaled here by the umpire. So Rupesh Naik. He changes his stance and missing the line completely. Great comeback by the bowler. Final delivery of the over. 28 for 3. What an over this is. Just 1 6 conceded in the first 5 deliveries. He's turning the match on. Oh, easily picked up. A 6 to finish the over. 34 after 2 overs and change in commentary. Over to Mahadev Shirodkar.
गुड इव्हनिंग. थँक्यू नाईक सर. पुन्हा एकदा सर्व प्रेक्षकांचं मनपूर्वक स्वागत. 2 षटकांचा खेळ समाप्त झालाय आणि 2 षटकांचा खेळ समाप्त झाल्यानंतर धावसंख्येचा विचार केला तर धावसंख्या या ठिकाणी पोहोचली 34 धावा. 3 गडी बाद 34. स्ट्रायकेनला असेल. हो, चांगला बॉल. क्लीन बॉल्ट. एष्ट्या उद्ध्वस्त होतात आणि फलंदाज मात्र या ठिकाणी बाद होतोय. To the pavilion, Ravin Wagila.
मेरे भोले शंकर
हॅट्रिक ऑन हॅट्रिक पाटील. न्यू बॅटर रोहन शेट्टी. चांगला चेंडू होता, ब्लॉक हॉल मध्ये टाकला. या ठिकाणी केवळ 1 धाव मिळेल. 3 चेंडूंचा अजूनपर्यंत खेळ झालाय. बॅक टू बॅक या ठिकाणी 2 विकेट घेतलाय. संपूर्ण सामन्याचं रूप मात्र या ठिकाणी पलटवून लावणारं हे षटक म्हणावं लागेल. कारण अजूनपर्यंत दिली 1 धाव, महत्वपूर्ण गडी बाद केले 2 आणि संघाची धावसंख्या 35. 35 लॉस्ट ऑफ 5 विकेट. 5 गडी बाद 35 धावा. षटक क्रमांक 3. पाटील चांगली गोलंदाजी या ठिकाणी पाहायला मिळते. पुन्हा एकदा डॉट चेंडू, निर्धाव चेंडू टाकला जातोय. बॅक टू बॅक या ठिकाणी वारंवार दबाव फलंदाजावर टाकला जातोय. विचार करायला भाग पाडलं जातं. या ठिकाणी वारंवार प्रश्न विचारले जातात, परंतु उत्तर मात्र या ठिकाणी सापडत नाही फलंदाजांना. पुन्हा एकदा मोठा फटका, खाली क्षेत्ररक्षक. फलंदाज बाद. महेश मैदानाच्या आतमध्ये. बॅट्समन नेम प्लीज. संकेत. न्यू बॅटर. पाटीलचा पुढचा चेंडू, चांगला चेंडू पडल्यानंतर ऑफ स्टंपच्या बाहेर जातोय. निर्धाव चेंडूची या ठिकाणी सांगत होतोय. षटक क्रमांक समाप्त होतोय. या ठिकाणी तिसरं तिसरं षटक समाप्त झाल्यानंतर संघाची धावसंख्या या ठिकाणी 35 धावा. चांगलं षटक. 1 षटक 3 गडी बाद. जबरदस्त बॉलिंग. तिसरं षटक समाप्त. इझी. बॉल या ठिकाणी टाकला जातोय ऑफ स्टॉम्पच्या खूपच बाहेर जातोय पंच या ठिकाणी स्वैर घोषित करतात अवांतर धाव मिळते धावसंख्या या ठिकाणी पोहोचली जाते 36 धावा 36 लॉस ऑफ 6 विकेट सुशांत मोठा फटका बॅट मधून येतोय या ठिकाणी ज्या षटकाराची आवश्यकता होती तो षटकार पाहायला मिळतोय इट्स अ बिग हिट इझी षटकार 42 धावा धाव फलकावर आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील 6 गड्यांच्या मोबदल्यात पुन्हा एकदा सुशांत रोहन साठी स्ट्राईक एंडला रोहन पुढचा चेंडू या ठिकाणी ऑफ स्टंप मला या ठिकाणी डीप मध्ये चांगला झेल घेता घेता सोडला जातोय मात्र या ठिकाणी जमिनीला दान केला जातोय जीवदान मात्र या ठिकाणी मिळतंय रोहन डॉट चेंडू निर्धाव चेंडू शेवटचे 2 चेंडू फुल टॉस उडवलाय चेंडू हवेमध्ये विरंगुळा खातोय जातोय सीमा पलीकडे षटकार येतोय बॅट मधून इझी प्रेम ढोलवाले या पथकाचं या ठिकाणी आगमन झालं आहे त्यांचं जोरदार टाळ्या वाजून स्वागत कारण यापुढे आपल्याला पाहायला मिळेल ढोल पथकाचं या ठिकाणी मधुर संगीत मात्र या ठिकाणी पोहोचलेली दिसते 48 48 धावा अजूनही चेंडू शिल्लक सुशांत फुलटॉस उडवलाय या ठिकाणी चांगली फिल्डिंग पाहायला मिळते जम्प मारलाय उडी मारली चेंडू अडवलाय स्वतःसाठी या ठिकाणी धावा वाचवल्या स्वतःच्या संघासाठी या ठिकाणी धावा वाचवल्या कारण पाहायला गेलं तर शेवटच्या क्षणापर्यंत या धावा महत्वाच्या असतात शेवटचा चेंडू मात्र डॉट या ठिकाणी सॉरी 4 चेंडू अजूनही 2 चेंडू शिल्लक आहेत पुढे टाकलेला चेंडू वाईट यॉर्कर लाईनचा चेंडू या ठिकाणी निर्धाव चेंडू समाप्त होतो या ठिकाणी शेवटचा चेंडू असेल धावसंख्येचा विचार केला तर 48 धावा धाव फलकावर हा निघालाय या इनिंगचा शेवटचा बॉलर सुशांत चांगला बॉल या ठिकाणी निर्धाव बॉल टाकला जातोय षटक क्रमांक समाप्त होतोय 4था इनिंगची या ठिकाणी सांगता होते 48 धावा धाव फलकावर पाहायला मिळतात जिंकण्यासाठी एकूण 50 धावांची आवश्यकता डीजे
The openers, Vishal and Jayesh. Yes, Mahesh Sakhalkar. On strike, Vishal. Jayesh at the non-strike end. Oh, starts off in a fascinating manner here. Huge six. This time shot in no man's land. It'll be a single. Six and a single. What a start this is. 7 runs in the first 2 deliveries. Oh, change of pace. The leg cutter working here for Mahesh Sakhalkar. He needs to finish well here. Six, a single, and now a dot. He needs to finish well. Oh, quicker delivery, but staying in line. Wide signal by the umpire. Score moves on to 8. 3 more deliveries remaining. 49 is the target. Excellent, excellent change of pace. He's troubling the batter. And this time it will be a wide. Score moves on to 9. 6, single, and 2 wides. Score 9. Sri Burgeshwar defending 49. Chance here, chance, definite chance. And taken. Mahesh strikes in his very first over. Jayesh has to depart. 1 ball to go. Very well played. But straight to the fielder here. Sahadev Kandolkar, the fielder at long off. A single to finish the over. 10 runs from the first over and a wicket. 3 overs, 18 balls to go. 39 runs to win. Amrut Verlekar couldn't do much with the bat, but definitely job to do with the ball. But the batters are looking more confident here, having defended runs in the previous match. Oh, great start here. Will take that leg by Sanam. Sunny Nanodkar covering the ball. 11 runs. First ball single. Oh, very well bowled here. Full line delivery. They take a single here. Every run is important. Leg by signal from the umpire. Score moves on to 12. So two singles of the first two deliveries. What a cracker of a match here for the spectators and those who are watching this match on YouTube. Oh, down the leg side, erring in line here and paying the price. Extra delivery and extra run. He will have to reload it. Score moves on to 13. Big shot! Oh yes! Oh yes! What the doctor ordered! A maximum here. 19 runs now. Three more deliveries remaining. Three more deliveries remaining. Just staying on the line. Easy picking. It was fuller land delivery. Just had to pick up the shot and deposit it over the boundary rope. Misham shot, but still it will go for a maximum. Consecutive sixes here. 25 already. More than half of the runs has been chased. Pressure on the bowler. Short ball outside edge. Sanam takes it. Amrut strikes here. A very important match. Very important match here. And great wicket. Good piece of bowling by Amrut. He needs to finish well. One ball remaining in the over. 24 required. 13 balls, 24. Simple equation. I think Sahadev to bowl the third over. Sahadev to bowl the third over. 24 to win. Oh, good start here. Good start. Drifting down the leg side. Now 23 to win from 12. 23 to win from 12. Oh, good. Good. Oh, Sanam. Not able to stop it, but they don't grab a single. So it's a dot ball. 11 balls, 23 runs to get. 11 balls, 23. I think that will has been taken. Praveen Waghela. Yes, we don't have any review system here. No review system. Umpire's decision will be upheld. And he has been dismissed. Praveen Waghela taking a great catch under pressure. Now 10 balls, 23. Dev. He's getting things right here for Shri Bodkeshwar, and now the pressure will start to mount on the batting team. They just required 4 sixes, but still the pressure has been created here by Sahadev. 9 balls, 23. Another Yorker. Excellent top class bowling here by Sahadev. 8 balls, 23 now. This is massive pressure on the batter. He has turned the match on its head. 8 balls, 23. Another ball has been dot here. Can you believe it? And we might see a change of batter. The batter is dismissed. He cannot bat further. He is retired out. New batter, Akshay. Can he be star Akshay? Oh, great delivery. Sanam misses it. And good piece of fielding. Just a single. So 22 required from the last over. What a match this is. Sahadev getting Shri Bodkeshwar right back in the match. Six balls, 22. So 4 sixes required from 6 deliveries. Six balls, 22 to get. Here comes the first maximum. Rohan Shetty has been hammered for a six over the long on. Just dragging the line here, Rohan Shetty. Now 16 to get from 5. 16 to get from 5 deliveries. Rohan needs to make a strong comeback. Very well bowled. And Praveen Waghela does the job. Now 15 required from 4. 4 balls, 15. 4 balls, 15 to get. Oh, what a match turnaround it has been here. This has been a complete turnaround. 3 balls, 15 runs required. A complete turnaround. What a cracker of a match has been witnessed here. 3 balls, 15 runs. 5 runs required every delivery. Rohan Shetty. On the onside, Praveen Waghela. Chance of run out. Here comes another wicket. Now 2 balls, 15. He just needs to bowl 2 legitimate deliveries. 2 balls, 15 runs to get. Shri Bodgeshwar once again proving 2 balls, 15. He picks it up. He picks it up and deposits it over the deep mid wicket region. One ball, 9 runs. And that's all over. Suji cricketers, what a performance they have shown in this tournament, beating Kamakshi Ponda, but not able to surpass Sri Bodgeshwar Girim.